Watch the fan. It won't hurt the TV.
Okay. Come on, Dad.
I'm waiting on you, Gringo.
We're ready.
Hold on, damn it. I started recording it. It said 3, 2, 1.
Come on.
What you do? It's okay.
I think it might be too heavy for you.
Oh,
I don't know if it can start because it says it's going.
Jeez, Gray.
you might need to
Maybe it's
Other way.
Gray.
Gray, stop the screaming.
Why? Other way.
What's wrong with it?
There
It doesn't
is.
go that way.
It's just gonna spin, dude.
Look how the blades are, Grandma. Come here, Gray.
Yeah.
Gray, what's wrong?
Yeah, it's trying to go the other way, dude.
Pull the string.
No, it's trying to
Brian,
get it away because the weight's carrying it down.
it's reversible.
Wait, what do you need for?
Hold on, Ben. Why is it going?
See, it stops this way. It kept going the other way.
Alright, spin it the other way.
Is it humming?
Yeah.
No.
Turn the TV off.
Let Grandma do it. Grandma, just stand under it.
See if it's humming. Hush.
He's trying to get him off there.
You were waiting that whole time to get Grandma under there, weren't you?